G'day legends, I'm Jesse Crow, the Traveling Scientist, and in this video I'm going to show you the best way to find peer-reviewed research, including 7 tips that are really going to help you out, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you a secret that'll give you access to absolutely any scientific research paper that's ever been published. See, I spoke with Nobel Prize winning Professor Peter Doherty last week, and his best advice to me and to you was this.
Be curious, be open, but try and find good information, don't buy into crazy conspiracy stuff. Try to find out what their reality is.
So now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to find good sources of information. And in 2023, the best source of information is peer-reviewed research. So what is peer-reviewed research? Peer-reviewed research basically means that somebody has figured something out, and then all of the other experts have checked on their work to make sure it's appropriate. This peer review process ensures the quality and the validity of the research. AKA, it's true, it's fact, it is undeniable until proven otherwise. Whether you're writing a report and you need some evidence, or maybe you're just doing some research to satisfy your own curiosity, peer-reviewed research is the best source of information for you to trust and to share with others. But how do you find peer-reviewed research? Step number 1, don't use Google. When you're looking for the truth, don't use Google. Google is great for finding general information on pages like Wikipedia, Forbes, Vice, Mayo Clinic, or Healthline. And those can be great when you just need to answer a simple question, or maybe you're looking for an opinion on something. But if you want quality, trustworthy information, then you need to find actual scientific research. Step 2, use Google Scholar. Google Scholar is unique in that it only surfaces academic information. Journal articles, books, dissertations, technical reports. Simply type in a few keywords on your topic of interest and Google Scholar will surface all of the relevant research. Step 3, wording is important. If you can't find what you're looking for, try changing the wording slightly. Instead of searching, is veganism healthy, try vegan health benefits or vegan disease risk. You can also use the advanced search tool to include specific phrases like only show me articles that include the phrase vegan diet or cancer risk. And this will help you to find more relevant scientific papers. Step 4, timing is important. Sometimes you need the OG research, like when something was discovered 50 years ago, but usually we're looking for more up-to-date research, or at least something from this century. Conveniently, on Google Scholar, you can alter the date range of your search to find articles from a long time ago or super recent stuff. Another great academic search engine is called PubMed. This website specifically shows you research related to health science. And the benefit of using PubMed is the filters on the left-hand side that can help you to find very specific articles. Firstly, you can choose to only see free articles to get rid of all the stuff that's behind a paywall. You can also choose to see which types of information you're looking for, whether it's randomized controlled trials, reviews, meta-analyses, or even books. And you can also alter the timescale of your searches. And this will all help you to narrow down your research from thousands of potentially useful articles to maybe just a handful of highly relevant papers. Step 6, what if you can't gain access to an article? Sometimes you can't gain access to a specific article for stupid and complicated reasons that I don't want to get into. A lot of peer-reviewed research is behind a paywall, meaning they'll ask you to pay to read the article. Sometimes $30, $50, even over $100 just to gain access to a few pieces of paper. But there are a few ways around this. Firstly, you could pay for it. But seriously, another thing you could try is Google the name. Literally copy the title of the research paper and paste it into Google. And sometimes you can find the same article elsewhere online for free. Or if you're part of a university, you're probably able to access the research article through your university. Just log into your student or teacher hub and then try accessing the article again. Or you can try checking the references for similar articles. Even if you can't read an article, you can still see who they referenced, and chances are they referenced research from similar articles, and those articles could potentially be free, so use them instead. Or you can simply settle for the abstract. Even if you can't access a full scientific article, you can usually read the abstract. This is the start of every paper, and it's kind of like a summary of the full report. Although it doesn't contain all of the details, it usually shares a simplified conclusion of the article, and sometimes that might be enough information. And finally, step 7, how to access any research paper for free. This is it. This is the secret that many rich people probably don't want you to know about. And maybe you already know about this, or maybe you don't. But either way, here it is. If there is a research article out there that is behind a paywall and you cannot or do not want to pay for it, you can use this website to gain access to it. I'm not going to say it. I've never even used it. I'm not even sure how it works. But just be aware that this website can get you access to any published research for free, and there's no catch. That's it. So use this information that I've shared here with you today to find peer-reviewed research and seek the truth. And in the great words of Professor Peter Doherty,
be curious, be open, but try and find good information, don't buy into crazy conspiracy stuff. Try to find out what their reality is.
And if you want to hear my full discussion with that living legend, you can check out the video just up here or search for Traveling Science wherever you podcast. And I'll catch you next Science Sunday, legends. Cheers.